Okay, a little update here. Sorry, my voice is a little harsh. Just getting over some of this crap that's going around. So anyway, here is an update to the Firebird. I really like how this is turning out. So I made this fin in the back and the fin in the front. All that is just that styrene that you can buy from Hobby Lobby or other places. And it's just this really thin kind of styrene plastic. Very easy to make. You just kind of get your design and trace it out and then cut it out. It's super simple. You could also, I've used sandpaper, some thick sandpaper in the past also. But anyway, so here it is. I wanted it to look pretty rough, and I think I've achieved that. I put a dent in the roof like it has been wrecked a little bit. There's some of the interior under the body. Got the exhaust on last night. Still working on that a little bit, adding some more detail. Added some support underneath here for the front spoiler. Also did something similar in the back. Just trying to make it a little more realistic. Here's the motor. I think I am going to add some wires in there. It looks a little too plain at the moment. And there's the other side. But all in all, I'm very happy with how this turned out. For being kind of a lost cause, I think it turned out pretty darn cool. And as I can see, I really scuffed up the decals here, because I don't want anything to really look new. I want it all to look kind of somewhat old. So I'm going to call this one done for now. And if you would, I might add a little more detail and then post another video on that. But for now, I think I'm going to call this done. Oh, here's a little better image of the front end. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Check out some of my other videos and give me a thumbs up if you can. And even subscribe if you like it. And I'll have more videos coming. Thank you very much.